Hello, students. Today we are going to study geography, chapter number 1, that is the Earth in the solar system. In this chapter, we are going to study about the Earth on which we live. Although you have studied before about the solar system, there are 8 planets in our solar system. Earth is one of them. Now we will talk about galaxies. A galaxy is a group of million of stars, planet, gas, dust held together. There are billion of galaxies present. All are of different shapes and size. For example, Milky Way, the galaxy in which the Earth and the Sun are located, is known as Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Now, what is constellation? A group of stars that form of pattern and has a name is called constellation. For example, a small stars group together and form a constellation, as you can see in your books in the picture. Now let us talk about stars. Stars are the glowing balls of hot burning gases, mainly hydrogen and helium, which have their own light. For example, pole star. Pole star is the brightest star in the sky at north direction. It always remain in the same position in the sky, that is north pole. Moving forward, before explanation of the 8 planets, we need to study about the head of the solar family, that is Sun. Sun is the center of the solar system. It is made up of extremely hot gases. Sun is the only source of heat and light on this earth. Now, further moving to the planets, we will discuss about the 8 planets that are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune in the increasing order of their distance. The first four among these have been categorized as the inner planets because they are closer to the Sun. They are also known as terrestrial planets. And further, last four of these planets have been categorized as outer planets because they are very far from the Sun. Now, in this category, some are dwarf planets. For example, Pluto. Planets lost their existence or not further present on this Earth are called dwarf planets. Now, let us discuss about the Moon. Our Earth has only natural satellite, that is Moon. Its diameter is only one-fourth of the Earth's surface. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the Earth. A moon can take 27 days to move around the Earth. So tell me, who was the first man to walk on the surface of the moon? Further adding, moon does not have conditions favorable for life, which means we cannot survive on the surface of the moon. Satellites are the natural celestial bodies that revolve around the planets. For example, artificial satellites are human made equipments designed to collect the information about the Earth. For example, INSET, EduSat, IRS, some man made artificial satellites. The Sun, 8 planets, satellites, and other celestial bodies such as asteroids, meteoroids, comets, etc., form the solar system. Now we were going to study about 8 planets and recall their existence. Number 1 is Mercury. Mercury is the closest, nearest, and smallest planet to the Sun in the solar system. That is why it is the hottest planet. Next is Venus. Venus is the second and brightest planet in the solar system. Venus is also known as Earth's twin because it is almost the same size as the Earth. Next is Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only life supporting planet where human beings can survive. Next is Mars. Mars is a red planet in the solar system. Some scientists believe that the planet perhaps had water and an atmosphere that sustained life. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is a gaseous planet consisting mainly of hydrogen and helium. Next is Saturn. Saturn is the only planet covered with 3 rings. These rings do not touch the planet and are made up of ice particles. Now we will discuss about Uranus. Uranus is the green planet in the solar system. This planet has large amount of hydrogen and helium in its atmosphere. Next is Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system because it is the farthest planet from the sun. Neptune has 13 known satellites. Now we will talk about some small celestial bodies that are hot and shining objects. Number one is asteroids. Asteroids are the small celestial bodies found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter in the solar system. They also revolve around the sun. Next is comets. A tiny glowing objects in the sky are known as comets. They are made up of ice and dust particles. Comets are small glowing objects in the sky which revolve around the earth. The most famous comet is the Halley's Comet, which flies past the earth every 76 years. Now we will study about meteoroids. Meteoroids are small pieces of rocks which moved around the sun. Some meteoroids come near to the earth and tend to drop. During this process, some of the meteoroids heated up and burn and flashes their light around the surroundings of atmosphere. Hope you can understand the meteoroids. There are brilliant falling bodies are called meteors. They are also known as shooting stars because they look like the stars falling from the sky. Thank you, students. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Have a good day, everyone.